Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. Today we are going to be talking about a pork butt. That's right, the pork butt. It's not the butt of a pork, it's right above the shoulder. It's just called a pork butt. So we got this at our local grocery store, and we are getting a lot of requests in the Facebook groups on how long you should cook it, what's the temperature, what should I put on it, and I'm gonna cover all of that today. I like to cook my pork butt like a brisket. So we are gonna make our own rub today. It's a Texas style rub. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika just to give it that color. I like to cook my pork overnight, just like I would a brisket. And thanks to recteq, I can do that. We're gonna jump right into this pork butt. That didn't sound right, did it? Scott, why didn't you stop me on that one? All right, well, we're not gonna jump in the pork butt. We're gonna jump into making the rub for the pork butt. It's gonna be equal parts, equal-ish. We're gonna add in a little onion powder, garlic powder. I like to use smoked paprika. This is what's gonna give some color to the pork. Boom. Once you shake it up, that is your Texas pork butt rub. That's what we're gonna rub our butt with. Get some olive oil. This is gonna let the rub stick to the meat pretty good. Try to keep a clean hand. Do you trim your pork butt? Do you trim any fat off of it? No, you don't trim any fat off of it. I like to cover the shoulder liberally. As you can see, that rub that we just made looks beautiful. You have the pepper in there, you have the salt. You can see the red from that smoked paprika. That's gonna give this butt some color here. So now that we have it ready to go in the smoker, we're gonna set our smoker to 225. We're gonna set on 225. We're gonna put this directly on the grate, fat side up. I'll put this thing on about 10 o'clock at night, and about 7 o'clock the next morning, 6 or 7, I'm ready to wrap it. I'll put it in a half oil pan, put some foil on it, throw it back on until I hit that 202, 203 temp, pull it off, let it rest, and then we're ready to go. All right, guys, we pulled the butt off of the smoker. Ready? Boom. Boom. Look at that. That's when you know you got a good cook. Next step, let's just try a piece. Ugh, so good. All right. Man, look at the smoke ring in there. recteq. Look at that smoke ring. Look at that. Just falling apart. I haven't led you guys wrong yet. Not yet. Overnight cook. Take the stress out of it. Get you an RT 700. If you are on the fence for a pellet smoker and you're checking out videos to see which one you need to get, hands down, a recteq. Join the recteq family. The customer service alone is by far the best. We are about to dive into this. Scott's hungry, I'm hungry, the family's hungry. We're about to make some pulled pork sandwiches for lunch, throw some barbecue sauce on those. We're gonna make them really simple.